Hello, my dear students. What we are learning today, we are going to create a parallel or a perpendicular line that will be passing through a given point. So I'm going to jump to the example here. So this is the equation of line that's been given in the question. And the question says, create a parallel line that will be passing through point 4, 2. What does that mean? Let's go to the Cartesian plane and write down the equation of line. That is 2x plus 3. So the red line you are seeing here, that's the equation of line 2x plus 3. Let's go back here. And they want us to create a parallel line that could be like this, like that, but not just any parallel line. The question wants us to create a parallel line that will be passing through point 4, 2. It needs to pass through that point. So something like this. What is the equation of line to that? That's the question. And how you do it is pretty easy. So equation of line that is parallel to 2x plus 3 must have exactly the same slope, and then I'm going to say plus b. I'm going to say plus b because I don't know that part. That's the part we need to figure out. How? The point is already given, meaning x is 4. In the bracket I'm going to write that down. X is 4 plus b. And y is 2. For the y, I'm going to write down 2. And then I'm just going to solve b. This part is 8. This is still 2 plus b. And b would be equal to 2. The 8 there, going to go to the other side of the equation as minus 8. Calculate that. B equals to minus 6. So let's check if I got this right. B equals to minus 6 means y equals to x minus 6. This is parallel to the given equation of line, and it is supposed to pass point 4, 2. Let's check. And let's write down y equals 2x minus 6. As you can see, this parallel line actually does pass through 4, 2, and it is parallel to this equation of line as well. Now, let's look at the next example. Next example is, this time we are going to create a perpendicular line to the same equation of line, and it's going to pass through the same coordinates here. But this time it's going to be perpendicular line. That is easy. All you have to do is, you need to have a fraction here, right? So 2 over 1. So the perpendicular line should be 1, flip the slope there, 1 over 2, and give the opposite sign, minus x plus b. I just created any perpendicular line, meaning it can be like this with 90 degree, it can be like that with 90 degree, but we are looking at the solution that it needs to pass through point 4 and be a perpendicular line anyway. So let's go and solve for that. Let's see. No, I'm not going to say y because I already know the y. Y would be 2, x would be 4. Let's do that. Y would be 2 minus 1 over 2. X would be 4 plus b. And again, let's just solve b for this. What is this equal to? That will be minus, let's calculate. It's going to be 1, calculator, 1 over 2 times 4. This will give us 2. Let's go back. plus b, and minus 2 goes to the other side as plus 2 equals b, and b would be 4, meaning y equals minus 1 over 2x plus 4. This should be perpendicular and passing through the given point, and let's go check that. I'm going to write down the third equation here. Y equals minus 1 over 2x plus 4. As you can see, the blue line here, it is passing through the given point. And if I can move the graph here a little bit, and you can see the 90 degree here as well, so you know this is a perpendicular line. All right, let's practice.